Okay, this video is all about terms and service for partnership. This video covers TOS, terms of services, fair usage policies, and what to do, what not to do. This is a war between what things you can do with these servers versus what not. As a server or VPS partner or a provider, you and we both have a strong responsibility to keep internet clean. We can say we host businesses, not illegal activities, such as spam, phishing, or abuse based websites, or some pirated websites which are giving movies or softwares. We are already in the 21st era, and AI has been evolved a lot. Whereas in 2025 2026 alone reported a huge number of scams all over the world and lost over billions of dollars hard earned money from the users. Let's say someone created an Amazon website copy, but user not able to detect whether it is Amazon or not, and he purchased a laptop and boom, he lost money. On the other hand, we have seen many websites which are cloned to the bank websites or financial websites, and user not able to detect them, so he might able to try to log in, but ultimately user lost his lifelong hard earned money. And some of the most popular cases about a free tools, softwares and movies are you try to save some pennies, but ultimately they will hack your servers. How? You download a software, you install it, the backdoor get installed into your system and all the systems get hacked. As a responsible partner, as you and we are the responsible partners, our responsibility is to say no spam, no scam, no exception for such activities, and follow simple rule. We welcome growth of our customers, but abusive customers are not welcome. And one more thing, email spammer, the most important email spammer are so smart. They buy your VPS and send thousands of spam mails and they thug peoples. Do you know what we lose in this? We lost our IP reputation. You might sell VPS at $10 or $20, but this email spammer do a spamming and will cost us an entire series of our IP address, that is 256 IP get blacklisted, and will affect on our other users. To simply get whitelisted, we have two options. First one, pay $200 to $300 to get whitelist, or wait for 3 months. It's not an easy to manage our servers. Do is important. What things we have to do to grow our business, but we also has to make sure that what things we don't have to do also has to be very important. So first learn what things has not to do, and then we can able to grow our business. One more case study I would like to share, that is about VPN, virtual private network. We know VPN why we use to open some websites which are banned in our countries, so we use a VPN to connect. But do you know VPNs are the most common centers for the attackers? They buy your server, they install VPN services on your platform, and they openly do abuse. They openly hack other servers. They use all illegal activities from your platform. And when someone takes a legal action, our IP address get caught. We can't able to track the customer's details. So, in other hand, one user purchase a VPS, 3 core 4 GB 100 GB storage, And within a 2 days, he consumed 3 TB of bandwidth. Just imagine, server has only 100 GB of storage. If you upload 100 GB, if you download 100 GB, if you upload down 100 GB, still you are consuming 300 GB. Then how user consume 3 TB of bandwidth in just 2 days? Not only that, on the other hand, you just imagine, if he is using in 2 days 3 TB bandwidth, then your other users are not able to get that network speed. Means, for a single user, you are losing your entire business reputation. You can see this image. Let me ask you one question. In this image, what's wrong? You might say that 92 is entered 2 times and 93 is missing. But let me twist the question. But here you have you observed one thing? I wrote from number 1 to 100. I correctly entered 99 numbers. Only one number was got wrong. Everyone and everyone is noticing this. The similar case with the abusive users, spam users, or email spammers, or these kind of all phishing based customers. That same thing happens here. So it's our responsibility to not to make that mistake. So being a partner, it's our responsibility. Say no to such users. And one punchline is clean IP means a clean business. This is not a video about terms and services. It's about a character test of and our duty to clean internet from such a spammers and abusers. So we build a trustworthy business together.